Hello everyone. Something is wrong with my other phone. So if this one cuts off, it's because woo! Jeez, my nerves are bad. I haven't eaten all day. It's almost after 2, I think. I'm gonna eat something that I know is gonna be so good for me. Gotta be mindful of cutting my damn hand. That's where I move back. That's a little too hot. I'm gonna let it get a little cold before I put my butter in there. It's gonna burn up. I didn't burn my dough. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Yes, yes! Woo! Oh God! Oh. Oh, that butter smells good. I should have turned it off, but I wasn't even remembering. Coral, I did tell you that I did a order through you know, that's my order right there. That's my order right there. And Coral, your post office has your package. I got a notice today, so you'll be getting it. And it's supposed to come today. If it doesn't, I'm gonna get a blessing. So you let me know. I am a fan of onions. I'm going to tell you that now. So give me a few minutes to wash up my eyes. Oh boy. turn you up a little bit because we're gonna throw in some chicken. I already threw inside the butter. So and then I'm gonna take some rice from the rice cooker and put that in the microwave. Matter of fact, no, I'm not gonna put it in the microwave. I'm gonna put it in the skillet because it's gonna be one meal. And I'm not sure how to pronounce your name, but I just want you to know I have been listening to your music all morning and basically afternoon. It's afternoon now, but your husband is you said is your preacher, so I don't know if you're trying to say he's a reverend or not, but I really can't understand. So, but the music is I'm quite sure it's your music because the video was on and then that music came on. So, oh wow, look at this, boys and girls, just look at that. Oh wow. I'm gonna tell you now, I absolutely love onions. Now I've never put chicken in it before, but I need a little bit of protein, so I threw in just a little bit of chicken. And if you don't eat canned chicken, you know, I'm sorry, but if you want fresh chicken, go ahead in the kitchen, defrost it, and start slicing. I like fresh chicken too, but I don't always have the chance to do it. I'm standing here sweating, and that leads to fainting, so I'm going to move away from the spot. It's hard for me to pause this camera because of, where is it? Oh, there we go. Now, I'm going to put in some rice, but I don't want a lot of rice. Basically, what I actually want is mainly onions. And I see I didn't make enough. I cut 2 onions. I should have cut 3. But basically what I wanted was onions. But since I need a meal, I'm going to put in some rice. Now, I'm going to put in some of this Worcestershire. Just a little bit, just a little bit. And you might use this to marinate your chicken. I use it to... oh, dang. I usually put a little, you know, so I'm going to put a touch of soy sauce in there, just a touch, and then a drop of honey, just a drop of honey. I don't really like onion. I mean, I don't like honey, but I will definitely cook with it. I'm not adding any salt to this because, of course, it has salt. And I'm going to let this simmer, and hopefully it gets a little crusty on the bottom, so I can get that. I forgot what it's called. My rice is frozen. So don't be worried. See you back in a few minutes. It is time for the girl to eat, boys and girls. To eat. Oh my goodness, I think it's after 3. I haven't eaten all day. Gotta go sit right in front of that computer. I just love my new skillet. I didn't think I would like it now, boys and girls. But I absolutely like it because it serves perfectly me. Okay, let's see now. Oh, I had to go in the other room for them burning the eyes. Mmm. 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 Oh, wow. Mmm. 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 Oh, wow. I don't know how I be making these good meals. Oh, wow. Not too much of anything. When I tell you the honey is perfect, I don't like honey. I can eat honey as long as I can't really taste it in my food. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, mm, mm. I think I needed a spoon. Jasmine rice is great in almost everything I've ever had it in. Mm, 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 mm. Mm. Oh my goodness. Mm. I am exhausted. My living room is covered in socks. Mm. But I'm gonna have to lay down. Not lay down, because I don't lay down after I eat. I have to sit down on my bed and just lean back for about 30 minutes. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. Mm. I'm a happy camper. Look at my books. Oh my goodness. More socks. More socks. Mm. More books. Mm-mm. Mm-mm.